because I set out to be an actor, you know, and that was, you know, I had all this stuff going on. I felt like Montgomery Clift, and I knew I was going to have an amazing career as an actor. I felt like Montgomery Clift. I looked like Haley Mills. So it was hard for me to get a job as an actor, but I played kids, and you did a couple movies. The big movie that I thought was going to make my career was a movie called The Chase, with Marlon Brando, Robert Redford, Jane Fonda, this huge cast, and little Paul Williams in the movie as well. So it was like, this is it. My mother was a widow lady back in Denver. I brought her out to live with me, and I said, Mom, from now on, you are going to be on Easy Street because the run of the litter is about to become a movie star. The movie comes out, and I'm not in it. I've got 2 lines. I say, he's going to need a better lawyer than your daddy. And the voice drew all things up from that, and it just, you don't build a career on it. So the phone did not ring off the hook. And then they took the phone out. And then Mom got a job. You know, and what am I going to do? Well, what I did is on the set of The Chase, the guy had a guitar, and I picked up, and he went, "Don't. That's a very expensive guitar. That's a Martin guitar. Go, if you want a guitar, go get one." So I bought a little one in a pawn shop. I painted it so it looked really good.
Oh, good.
And I started doing it. And when I did, I found it's like, and so I'd stay up all night in my jammies. While my mom slept because she was going to work the next day, and I would sit there and I'd write these songs. You know, my mother would get up in the morning, she'd look at me, and she'd go, "Don't worry, my son, God has a plan." And then she'd turn away, and you'd hear her mumble something like, "Something." And she'd talk to herself. My mother would always talk to herself. You know, and I would ask her, I said, "Mom, what's the matter? What's the matter?" And she'd go, which for her was a word. You wouldn't understand, I'm just feeling old. So years later, Roger Nichols plays me this beautiful melody, and he says, "I want you to write some words to this. What do you think?" I listened to it, I said, "What am I going to write about?" Then I remembered my mom. I'm talking to myself and feeling old.
Woo!
Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. And what I've got, they used to call blues. Nothing is really wrong. I'm feeling like I don't belong. Walking around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. You're funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. It's nice to know somebody loves me. Come and gone before. There's no need to talk it out. No, we know what it's all about. I've been hanging around. I got nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. I've been walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays, you know, I told you we didn't need a rehearse.